Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the headphones have enough charge and your phone's Bluetooth is open. This reduces interruptions. Once done, power the WH-1000XM5 on, then press and hold the power/Bluetooth button for about 7 seconds until the LED and voice prompt indicate pairing mode. Make sure your phone is within 1 meter to keep the initial connection stable, because a weak signal can cause failed handshakes. Now move to your phone's Bluetooth list to select the WH-1000XM5 entry when it appears. You'll tap WH-1000XM5 in the Bluetooth list. If it doesn't show, close and reopen Bluetooth or toggle airplane mode briefly to refresh scans. After selecting it, accept any pairing prompts and enter the default PIN, usually 0000, only if asked because modern devices often pair without a PIN. Once paired, open the Sony Headphones Connect app to finalize codecs, noise control, and firmware updates, since these steps optimize sound quality and ANC behavior. They also ensure stable reconnection. You should now test audio playback and active noise cancellation to confirm a successful pairing. If audio stutters, change the codec in settings to LDAC or AAC for better quality and latency. Make sure the headphones power on near the paired device to reconnect automatically. This keeps the link reliable. If pairing repeatedly fails, perform a factory reset on the WH-1000XM5, which clears old pairings and often resolves odd Bluetooth states. Then repeat the pairing steps. This fix solves most persistent connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.